Leandro Leviste, sinampal ng libel si Auntie Claire. What do you get when at first sight, you seemingly used your connections dahil tulad ni Kiko Barsaga, isa ka ring nepo baby at a larger scale kasi nanay mo senador.
After some arguments and debates, finally yung franchise ng Solar para sa Bayan na-approve na rin po. So, did you convince your colleagues to vote for the approval ng franchise, ma'am, o hindi ko kayo nakialam pagdating doon?
As you know, I abstained. That is my son's company, of which I'm not an owner. And in the words of the sponsor, it is a social justice legislation. I think it's, but I abstained out of delicadeza because it's owned by my son, a 25-year-old entrepreneur.
Tatay mo naging gobernador, basically nakatira ang inyong family tree sa politika. Tapos, nagamit mo yung prangkisa na binigay sa iyo ng gobyerno sa pagpapayaman to the point na instant billionaire ka matapos umalis sa isang Ivy League school dahil sa hindi kumpirmadong dahilan.
Frankly, I think there's no more public interest as regards this topic, and the public, I think, would want to know more about the flood control investigations, where, if I'm not mistaken, there were supposed to be many big fish that would be spending Christmas in jail.
Yeah, but this was also a very hot topic, Congressman, and you do know that. I understand that we can talk about that too, but from what I know and from where I'm sitting, they are saying that a franchise was granted to you through Solar para sa Bayan, and that if you had divested or just simply divested, it needed the nod of Congress to be.
It has been a few weeks after the bombshell na revelasyon ni Leandro Leviste as he rode the wave of speculation nang mamatay si dating Public Works Undersecretary Cathy Cabral as he drops the Cabral Files Kuno for the 19th Congress.
Kong, can we clarify, because the last time we spoke to you, we asked you if she indeed gave you a copy of all the files.